Hello everyone, this is Neelima. In this video, let's see a very simple snack for kids with bananas. For this snack, we have to choose bananas which are ripe but which are very stiff, not over ripened ones. We can choose any sort of bananas which are available in the market. The ones which I've chosen now are exactly ripened ones. These are robust bananas, the big ones. I picked 2 bananas for the snack here. We have to peel them and slice them, which are not very thick or not very thin, the medium sized slice, which I'll just show. These should be able to be toasted. That's why these are the exact size. The second banana, I'm doing the same. Now, the next tip is take a pan, preferably non-stick pan. If you don't have the non-stick, you may choose the regular pan which is available at your end. No need for a lot of ghee for this recipe. Just a teaspoon of ghee would be sufficient for 2 bananas. Grease the surface of the pan with the ghee. Then arrange all the slices of bananas in the pan. See that they don't touch each other much. Then on low to medium flame, roast these bananas in ghee. After 3 minutes, see, this is the toasted ghee roasted banana. Flip and do the same even for the other side. The other side may not take as much time as the first side would have taken. This took me only 2 minutes, whereas the other side took me 3 minutes. Of course, it depends on the variety of stove you use. I'm flipping all the slices. All got roasted after 2 minutes. This is very simple. The snack is done. Then transfer into a serving plate. We can have this snack as is, just like this, or have it with some honey on top of it, or roll it in a chapati. These slices could be arranged in a chapati, roll the chapati and have it, or the bread would be very apt to have this. Arrange these in between 2 slices of bread and have it as a sandwich. Not only kids would like this, even elders can have this. Just give it a try and do let me know your comments.